Mark chapter 10 from verse 46 to verse 52. Jesus and him follower them reach a Jericho. When Jesus and him follower them and one big crowd of people did a left, one blind man named Bartimaeus, Timaeus boy, did sit down at the roadside a beg. When him hear say a Jesus from Nazareth a pass, him start for bawl out, Jesus, David boy pickney, take pity upon me. Enough people tell him to shut him mouth and tap him eyes, but him bawl out louder and louder. David boy pickney, take pity upon me. So Jesus stop and say, call him. So them call the blind man and tell him say, take heart, get up, him a call you. The man fling off his jacket, jump up and go to Jesus. Jesus asks him say, what you want me to do for you? The blind man answer him say, teacher, me want to see. Jesus tell him say, go on, cause you believe, you get better now. Same time, the man hear them open up and him could have see and him follow Jesus down the road. And God won this. Thank God.